Okay, this is the last expression that we are going to solve from infix to prefix. First we will do it with the direct method, and then we will do it using stack. Correct? So we will see this expression here. We have three parentheses here. So we will just first write down precedence and associativity, right? So precedence, exponential has the highest precedence, and then its associativity is from right to left. You have multiplication and division left to right, and then finally you have plus and minus left to right. So here you can see we have three parentheses. We will solve the left parenthesis first, right? So I'll say here plus AB. I will write the rest of the expression as it is. As I have told you, whenever you solve operand 1, operator, operand 2, just write the rest of the expression as it is. You will get the correct answer. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to get the correct answer, right? So after this we will solve this parenthesis. Here I have two operators, exponential and minus. Exponential has greater precedence than minus, therefore I will solve first this one here. Correct? C is operand 1, D is operand 2, plus AB star, right, to the power CD minus E. Write down the rest of the expression as it is, as I have told you. Plus, right? Now minus is yet to be resolved, right? And this is the parenthesis we are solving. Therefore this is operand 1 and E is operand 2. E is operand 2 here, plus AB star minus to the power CD E, right? So all the operators have been evaluated. So for I will take out the parenthesis and say to the power F plus G star H. Correct? So we need to solve this parenthesis at the end here. Right now the only parenthesis that is left here, we can see we have star and plus, therefore this has to be resolved first, right? So I'll say here plus, because star has greater precedence, AB star minus to the power CDE to the power, right, F plus star GH. Correct? Now I have plus here, so this will be operand 1 and this would be operand 2, right? Plus AB star minus to the power CDE to the power, okay, plus F star GH, right? Now let us see what operators are left to be resolved, right? What operators are left to be resolved? This star operator is yet to be resolved, and this exponential is yet to be resolved. So we know that exponential has greater precedence than that of star, right? This is yet to be resolved and this is yet to be resolved. So what would be now operand 1 and operand 2? We need to resolve exponential because exponential has greater precedence than that of the multiplication operator. So here this whole thing would become operand 1, this would become operand 2, right? So here I have plus AB, I'll write star as it is, then I will put exponential before my operand 1, right? So exponential minus exponential CDE plus, right, CDE plus F star GH, right, F star GH, right? So I have resolved this exponential. Now we are yet to resolve multiplication, therefore this will become operand 1 and the rest after star will become operand 2. So I will put this here. So star plus AB exponential minus exponential CDE plus F star GH. This is your final prefix expression for this infix expression using direct method. I hope you have liked this video, right? So in the GATE exam, if they ask you to convert from infix to prefix, it is better to use this method to do it because it is faster than the stack method, right? Thank you for watching.